On the right side of the machine, you will find the connection panel, and on it, the main power connection. There is no mains power switch on this machine. The power switch is on the display panel. Above the connection panel is the collator, the document feeders, either expert or special, with the document feeder trays and the maxi feeder option inserted in them. In operation, an envelope is fed up to the insert table, staged and opened, waiting for the folded documents to arrive. Meanwhile, at the right side of the machine, the documents are vertically transported from the document feeder or feeders to the collator. The collator has stops at the end of the paper path to straighten the document pile as it is built, so it can be folded correctly in the fold section. When the required documents are collated, the document pile is transported horizontally to the document folding section. After completing folding, the documents are inserted into the envelope waiting on the insert table.